Hi guys, so we are now here at Barangay Masulog in Canlaon City, and you can see here guys the damage done by the Typhoon Tinok there. So nasira yung kanilang mga daan dyan guys, no? Yan. So if you are going to zoom this one, of course Mount Canlaon is there, but you can hardly see that one, the peak, because it's covered with clouds. Okay. So if we focus on this area here, yan, malalaki yung mga bato pa dito, na then yung mga residents na nakatira dito malapit sa ilog ay talagang naanod yung kanilang mga maliliit na bahay. You can see it. So
hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are featuring our road trip adventure going to Canlaon City, and we would like to let you see guys our adventure during the aftermath of Typhoon Tino, which hit Canlaon City and the neighboring barangays around Canlaon City. So tingnan natin guys yung scale ng damages on some part of the barangay here in Canlaon City. So simula tayo dito guys sa Barangay Tagbino, Valle Hermoso. This is actually the last barangay going to Canlaon City, but still part of Valle Hermoso town. So dito tayo sa long and winding road. Paakyat na ito guys, going to the,
and guys, oh, mga fallen trees. Okay guys, so yun, makikita nyo yung nasira mga taniman, yung mga palayan guys. Yan. So may mga yan bato na naanod, and this is what you can see here guys. Yan. So may mga falling trees dito. Ito na yung mga debris ng mga kahoy guys na nasira, natumba at naanod sa baha. Yan. So let's see more here, kasi very windy. Mahangin pa guys, oh. Tingnan niyo yung mga punong kahoy, yan. Yung mga falling trees dito. So maraming mga truck dito guys na nag-haul sa mga boulders na nag-block sa mga daan, kasi ang mga boulders na ito ay naanod mula pa sa mataas na bahagi, no, malapit sa bulkan. Yan. So makikita pa yung mga sirang mga sasakyan na naanod guys, oh, yan. And so as of this time they are already clearing the area, especially yung mga debris there, you can see it guys, no, after the typhoon. Ganito talaga yung nangyayari. Some of the falling debris were scattered here in the highway. Yan, so again, this is already the aftermath of the typhoon Tino. Yan guys, oh. You can imagine the damage dito sa lugar na ito. Makikita yung mga ayan, nasisira ng mga structures dito at saka yung mud. Yan guys. So tulad din sa bagyong Odette na nangyari noong 2022, ganito rin sa siyudad ng Baez City. Yan guys. So imagine how massive was the damage during the typhoon. Yan, may mga motor pa na nabasa guys, oh. Nalubog ito sa tubig. Yan. So you can see the damage guys. Okay, medyo mataas yung tubig dito na bahagi. Ayan. So I'm just giving you a clear view of what happened to this area somewhere here. Yan guys, no? Imagine yung mga naano dito. Ayan. Okay, so napaka-massive yung destruction dito, guys. And may God help these people here. Yan. Ito guys, so makikita ninyo yung mga malalaking bato galing pa ito sa bundok, guys. Yan. So imagine the damage here. So it's very intense and enormous, guys. Yan. So dito sa mataas na bahagi medyo wala gaanong damage, guys, only in the lower area there. So yung nasa medyo hindi masyadong elevated, no? But in here makikita niyo yung malalaking bato na nandito sa mga palayan, guys. So imagine this. Okay. Wala na siguro ibang daan dito. I think I have to. So we will just have to continue all the way doon sa itaas. Pero we will just be going back to the main city, kasi yun yung talagang natamaan ng mga boulders, guys, no? So dito medyo walang masyado, no? Walang damage dito sa may uptown area, no? So it's more on baha talaga, no? Medyo malakas na hangin at saka baha talaga. So we will try to see what is in here, kasi may ibang daan dito, no? And we will try to explore kung saan ito bababa. Yan. Dito wala masyado, pero may mga lalaking mga bato, guys. I don't know if these boulders are already here. I'm not sure, maybe, but some of the big stones were rolled in the city center, no? Naanod siguro sa medyo malakas na tubig or malakas na daloy ng tubig. So yan, guys. We'll see. Guys, so what you can see here, ayan, ito medyo malalaking ito yung nangyayari guys, oh. Yun yung dinaanan ng mga bato pababa. So very enormous yung damage dito. So yan guys. Yung river na yon, yun talaga yung dinaanan ng mga malalaking boulders guys. So see the damage here. Yan, kita mo yung damage dito guys. Yan. So dito walang masyadong mga nasira, no? May mga bagong bahay pa nga dito. Pero yung malapit sa river na yon, Canlaon River, yun yung talagang nagkakaroon ng malaking damage guys. So ito guys, oh. Dito wala na masyado. So yung sa baba siguro, no, maraming mga nasisira doon. So yung sa highway parang wala na dito guys, no? Ito yung market area, wala namang masyadong damage dito. Yun lang talagang dinadaanan ng river na yun. Parang malaki talaga yung damage doon na area, eh. Because dito wala naman, no, mga falling branches lang, tsaka may mga natumbang mga punong kaho, but it's not really that worse, no. I will not anymore go as far as that area there, pero dito na lang siguro tayo, no? We will just focus. Medyo malakas pa yung hangin dito, guys. Pero yung area na ito walang masyadong damage, no? Medyo mataas-taas na ito dito. Yung this is still part of the city, but yung sa doon talaga sa malapit sa terminal, yun yung talagang may mga nasisirang bahay, no? So dito, guys, itong area na ito, so dito talaga sa area na ito yung mga may mga nasisira talaga, no? Hi guys, we are currently right now at FNC Resto Bar. So this is a restaurant here in Canlaon City, and same owner of the restaurant located in the century-old Balite tree in somewhere in the mountain area, but then I was not able to reach the area because of the damaged bridge there. So will just have to eat my lunch here in this restaurant. Although they own the cafe there, same as the owner here in these restaurants actually. So dito na lang tayo guys. We'll take our lunch before we will continue to the other barangay here, which was also severely damaged, and we'll try to explore the area. Makikita natin yung mga malalaking bato at boulders guys in that barangay in a while. Okay? So guys, ito na yung order natin, no? You have the beef curry, and let's try to eat this one guys. Yan. Tingnan natin. Kain tayo. Taste the flavor. Hi guys, so I'm currently right now at FNC Resto Bar. So if you want to eat your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, try to see this restaurant guys. So napakasarap ng beef curry nila. So, amazing food, but a little bit pricey guys. So yun nga talaga yun. Masarap kasi, kaya pricing. Okay? So see you. Okay guys, you can see here the extent of the damage done by the typhoon here. So imagine yung mga malalaking bato, no? They're not usually from this river guys, but they were carried away by strong current galing sa bundok. So yan, makikita nyo guys, oh. And napakalaki ng bato guys. Okay, so of course, view of Mount Canlaon yan. Hey guys, so we are now here at Barangay Masulog. So you can see here guys the damage done by Typhoon Tinok, and it is obvious here that part of the bridge has been totally damaged. Yan, so parang naging waterfalls yung area guys, no? If you wish to see on this side here, yan, meron pa silang mga ginagawang mga repair sa daan kasi hindi ito madaanan ng mga sasakyan. So we are only up to this point here guys, and try to just see what is happening in this area. Yan. So it's very difficult to cross yung mga lugar na ito dahil sa damage na nangyayari. Okay, so yan. Okay. Hi guys, so we are now here at Barangay Masulog in Canlaon City, and you can see here guys the damage done by the Typhoon Tinok there. So nasira yung kanilang mga daan dyan guys, no? Yan. So if you are going to zoom this one, of course Mount Canlaon is there, but you can hardly see that one, the peak, because it's covered with clouds. Okay. So if we focus on this area here, yan, malalaki yung mga bato, pa dito na, then yung mga residents na nakatira dito malapit sa ilog ay talagang naanod yung kanilang mga maliliit na bahay. You can see it here guys, no? Alright, so yan, but yung mga motorcycle can cross the detour area kasi meron silang temporary detour na nilagay para daanan ng mga sasakyan. So yan guys, okay. So yung instead of itong tubig na ito ay dadaan sa bridge, ay dumadaan na ito sa ibang bahagi ng daan guys. Yan. So okay. Right. So let's try to fly our drone to see some of the area here. Okay guys, so we just flown our drone, and you can see the damage based on the aerial view that you can see guys. So yan, may mga sasakyan pa dito nakalinya. Okay, and ito yung dinadaanan natin. Okay. I have to kasi parang naging dike na yung area na ito dahil sa tubig, nasirang bridge, no? But anyway, residents here are so resilient that they try their best in order to cross the area here. As you can see some vehicles trying to cross, because this is a connecting highway from Canlaon City going to La Castillana and La Carlota. So yan guys, right? So traffic na dito, I have to move. Okay. Okay guys, let us have a second glance of this area here. Yan. So and parang na-improve na guys, no? Unti-unti na nilang naayos yung daan dito. Pero yung mga debris ay hindi pa masyadong na kuha, no? There are still debris here in this area. Yan. Malalaking mga ano pa, no? So, but still may mga malalaking bato pa natitira dito guys. Ayan. So yan. Just find a right location para makapagpalipad tayo ng drones guys. Yan. Maybe here. Tingnan natin dito if we can fly our drone here. Guys, so we are here at Canlaon City proper. Let us try to see the updates of their clearing operation here kasi may mga debris pa na nakikita sa mga gilid ng kalsada rito, especially itong malaking bato. This point here you can see ito guys, naanod dahil sa baha. And of course, you can see also the area there, yung malapit sa bridge. You can see that in my drone video. Ayan. Saka yung mga bato na lumampas sa mga bahay sa gilid ng kalsada. So, this is the update to now. And yung last Sunday when we visited this area, medyo marami pang mga malalaking sanga ng kahoy, kahoy mismo na na-uprooted at nadala ng baha. So for now, the weather is already sunny. So we try to complete the operation, clearing some of the areas here near the road. So yan guys, ito yung mga updates dito. Pati yung gasoline station ay was completely devastated during the time of the Typhoon Tino. Meron pero yan guys, so naayos na nila yung mga ilog dito. Natabunan ito ng mga maraming bato. Buti na lang yung buti na yan. Yung mga bahay dito, hindi masyado here in another area in Canlaon City. Yan, kita ninyo yung tumba na truck, guys. This area here was also hit by the flood. Now, I would like to greet, shout out nga kay Sir Dindo Baha kanina. So we met at Total gasoline station in Canlaon City, and I hope that you will be able to rebuild your property again, kasi medyo nasira yung bahay nila or yung business siguro na building malapit sa gasoline station. So I wish that you can rebuild that area. Okay? So maraming biyaya pangdating sa buhay ninyo. So just pray to God. So again, shout out kay Sir Dindo Baha.